Hello and welcome to Smitty's. I am a wood cutting fanatic who loves to run a chainsaw. I run alcohol chainsaws, ported chainsaws, I race chainsaws, and I even run the occasional vintage. Now remember, I cannot do this without you. You're everything to the channel, so please remember, subscribe, give that thumbs up, leave that comment. Today, we are going to have a lot of fun. So how you doing? Hey, today we are going to test run the Homelite VI-130 that I ported up for Justin Weaver. Now this is going to be the first cuts in wood, so let's see how she does. I did a bench tune on it, so it should be pretty close. It's a funny thing about the Homelites. They don't like to go lean. You gotta, how do I explain it? So whenever you're tuning a normal saw and you think you might be a little rich, if you're doing it to a Homelite, you're probably lean. They just, something about them, the way they feel and everything, the tune is, it always feels rich, but that's where they like to be. If you try to go lean on these things, they will let you know it. They will behave so horribly that they go all over the place. They're crazy. They won't run. They don't want to stay running. All sorts of things. So fatten them up. Fatten up your Homelites, They like it rich. They like fuel. I think it has to do with they're not the most efficient burning engine, if you know what I mean. So, they gotta have a little extra there to make sure they get the job done. But anyway, what do you say we get on with? Let's run this VI-130. She's ported, and let's put her in some wood and see what she does. We're gonna start out on the test log. If everything goes good, I might go down to the firewood pile and see if we can find a couple of chunks in the firewood pile to cut. That way we can get a little bit of poplar and a little bit of oak and everything. You know what I mean? So here we go. There we go. The VI-130 all ported up and running. She seems to be running good and strong. It's not absolutely flawless. It's a typical Homelite, you know. They have attitude, and this one has attitude too. But otherwise, I mean, it's running good. It's a Homelite thing. You know what I mean? Now, this chain could have been just a little bit more aggressive, but it might be due to the fact that it's not a full-blown safety chain. It's one of those that are like kind of halfway there, if you know what I mean. Here, let me show you. It's one of those chains. It's like halfway to a safety. You know what I mean? She gets the job done. I'm trying to get her to focus for you. There you go. It's one of those guys. It's like halfway to a safety chain. That might be why, you know, I felt like it could have been a little more aggressive. But, hey, you know, she does good. Does just fine like this. You know, this is probably about as good as a performance level as I can get out of these. It's not tacked, but it's probably in the ballpark of 10,000 RPM in the cut. I've done a few of them, you know. It's probably in that ballpark. So, you know, 20-inch bar is perfect for these saws. They eat wood. They get the job done. And this puts her up to more of a modern-day 60cc performance level, if you know what I mean. So, hey, I hope you enjoyed this little one. And we'll catch you on the next one. Later.